Hi everyone, and welcome to Fotopia Viewer over SharePoint tutorial. Let me first briefly tell you why this solution is useful. Fotopia Viewer enables you to get your workflow digitized, meaning that you no longer have to worry about manually moving stacks of documents between offices. You can also make many changes to your documents online. For example, you can add annotations, stamps, and signatures. In addition, there are security options that enable you to control who views and edits your annotations, stamps, and signatures, and you can also hide any area on a page. Furthermore, Fotopia Viewer includes a web scanning option that enables you to scan a hard copy of a document you wish to make changes to. Last but not least, you can also index your documents so that they could easily be retrieved from SharePoint. Now let's have a quick look at the interface. On the left here are the pages of the document. And these are the general options such as delete, clone, cut, and paste. Clicking on this arrow displays the viewing options, which will be discussed in the general options video. And here's the indexing. Here are the language settings. And these two icons will be discussed in the exporting video. This icon initiates web scanning, and this icon enables you to create and edit signatures, while this one enables you to create and edit stamps. And these are shortcuts to the frequently used stamps. These two icons will also be discussed in the exporting video. Last but not least, if I left-click anywhere on the page, these smart tags appear. Most of them will be discussed in the annotations video, with the exception of these two. This icon will be discussed in the stamps and signatures video, while this one will be discussed in the security video. Thanks for watching this tutorial.